Okay, it's July 2nd, and last night I put 10 ounce on the top of the boat, fiberglassed it using the RemChem polyester resin. Came out really well. Now I'm doing the side with 10 ounce. What I did with the first layer is just brought it right to the chine log. And then with the second layer, I'm overlapping 5 inches, and I have masking tape to hold it in place. Using RevChem polyester resin with MEKP. I'll be doing this side later today. After I do the top, I use my belt sander with 50 grit to clean up the edge. And then my orbital sander as well with 50 grit. And then I rough up the side with 50 grit before I put on the 10 ounce cloth. This little dispenser has been really handy for me. For every 16 ounces of the RevChem, I put in 5 to 6 cc's of the MEKP. And let me turn this bucket around and I'll show you what I'm using here. So I'm using the RevChem polyester. I believe this is the, let me check here and see. Yeah, so I've got about 17-20 minute working time. So what I do first is I measure out 16 ounces, which is half a quart with this guy. And then I dump it into that container right there. And then I mix 5 to 6 cc's depending on how hot it is. Right now it's getting warmer, so I'm going to be doing 5 cc's. And I just pour it right on top of the cloth. And then I use this squeegee to smooth it out. And I don't apply a lot of pressure, but I make sure that all the excess is squeegeed out. And the top has already been done with one layer of 10 ounce. You'll see here in the middle too that I actually overlapped on the keel. I overlapped about 2 to 3 inches on each side. And then I'll be making my fairing compound to make the edges nice where the overlaps are. So it should be done with this side today. Let it cure. And then I'll start sanding the other side and get it done tomorrow.